certainly love eating salads, but not the boring variety. I love salads that are creative, flavorful, and don't live up to the unfortunate misconceptions about this type of dish. Hi, I'm Maria and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to cook incredible vegan food every single week. The vast majority of us have had the experience of being served a couple of lettuce leaves and flavorless tomatoes. I certainly have, and my ongoing mission to develop plenty of amazing salad recipes is my attempt to never have to experience that again myself, and to make sure that everyone else has a positive opinion about salads. By the way, before we get any further into this video, be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of fun videos coming up, including more recipes, vlogs, challenges, and you don't want to miss that. And give this video a like and let me know what you think about these recipes in the comments when you finish watching, because I love hearing your opinions. Today we have two recipes that I am sure you are going to love. They are really low effort, really refreshing, and perfect for the summer especially, but any season to be honest. Firstly, we have a couscous salad with chickpeas. This one is so easy to put together in just about 20 minutes. The couscous brings in a wonderful texture, while the avocado dressing adds a hint of freshness that I am absolutely obsessed with. So I am going to start by showing you how to make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan mustard to a blender or food processor, followed by a very large avocado or 2 smaller ones, so depending on what you have available. Then add the juice of 1 lemon, 3 cloves of garlic, 3/4 of a cup of water, and a pinch of salt, and blend that until smooth. By the way, both of these recipes are going to be in the description in full. Also cook around 5 ounces of couscous, and the great thing is that you can also use pasta, rice, or quinoa. When that's done, drain and rinse it and add it to a bowl together with a can of chickpeas, a large red onion, cherry tomatoes, green olives, and fresh spinach. You can also add any other vegetables of your choice depending on what you have in the fridge. Mix everything together and it's ready to be served with the avocado dressing. I also added some vegan feta to garnish and almond flakes for an extra delightful crunch. Now we are going to make a watermelon salad with strawberries and cucumber. This salad is a really great way to enjoy watermelon and a great mixture of sweet and savory flavors. Start by preparing the watermelon by slicing it into cubes, and as you can see, that's pretty straightforward. You just have to remove the top and bottom of the watermelon, then remove the shell and cut it in half and then into chunks. This is probably the most time-consuming part of the process. Then prepare some strawberries, cucumber, lime, and avocado. Now all you have to do is simply mix together the ingredients. So add the watermelon to a very large mixing bowl, followed by the cucumber, a red onion, and some watercress. I then added just a dash of olive oil, some capers for a hint of tanginess, almonds, the freshly squeezed lime juice, garlic, fresh dill, salt, and paprika. Stir everything together, then transfer to a serving dish of your choice and add the fresh strawberries together with other garnishes. Okay, I am about to eat both of these for my lunch in a second because I really can't decide if they both look so good, and I think you should give them a go as well, like as soon as possible. And yeah, comment which one is your favorite. If you do try them out, then be sure to tag me on Instagram because I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations. And yeah, lots of love.